Hi, Rose here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is day 3 of the very last hairstyle I did, and I wanted to show you how I maintained it because someone actually asked. So my nighttime routine for this style was really simple. I just wore a satin hair bonnet and went to bed. And that has been my nighttime routine for so far all my roll tuck and pin styles. In the mornings, I take off the satin hair bonnet, and depending on what the hair is looking like, I do a few touches and then I'm done. For this particular hairstyle, I just needed to take care of the edges and that was it. I didn't have to re-moisturize all through the days that I had this style on. So here's my hair on day 6. My scalp became a bit uncomfortable. It was slightly itchy, and so I needed to take down the style and give it a good wash. I did take down most of my roll and pin hairstyles by day 3 because my scalp was itchy, but for some reasons I was able to keep this style for 6 days before I felt the need to take it down. The itchiness was just slight, but my scalp was dry and flaking, and so I really needed to take down the style and give it a good wash. So for each roll and pin that I do, I treat it uniquely. Some of the times I probably need to spray some water on it just to keep the top from drying excessively. But for this style in particular, I didn't need to do anything at all to it. So by day 6 it was dry, not too bad though, but it needed some moisture, so it was a good time to take it down and also rewash. If you haven't seen my updated wash day video yet, I'll put it up in the cards and also in the description. On this particular day, I decided to wet my hair in the shower before applying conditioner to pre-poo, and this was the amount of shed hair I was able to bring out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next.